Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about 2D shapes. So if you want to draw along with me or just watch, that would be fine. Probably after the video, you may want to draw some of these on your own to practice. So let's talk about 2D shapes. So 2D shapes, which are also flat shapes. All right, and so we're going to talk about two different types of flat shapes. We're going to talk about geometric, and then you have organic. All right, so geometric shapes are things like squares, rectangles, triangles, even stars. You could do things like arrows, even letters can be geometric, numbers. I can draw some more letters for you, or we can go back to just random shapes, or we can do like these kind of funky shapes. That really don't mean anything, and that's okay. Or you have like hexagons or octagons. I'm going to try and do that a little bit better. So the characteristics with these geometric shapes are going to be they have sharp, hard, or pointy edges. Okay, so it's like if you imagine you were to pick one up, you might prick yourself or hurt yourself because they all have these like hard, sharp, pointy edges. All right, so those are geometric. Okay, and then the other are organic. So they're going to be opposite of what the geometric was. So organic shapes are things like circles, ovals, fun, goofy shapes like this. It's kind of like the same thing as these, but now they're softer or rounder. I can even make my letters or my numbers be soft and round. So just like how on the other side I made them have sharp or pointy edges, now I'm making them have soft edges. I can make something like this. Or again, I can make these fun, goofy shapes. You could even make like kind of like a swirl or a bullseye or something because it's curving. So the characteristics of organic shapes are that they are soft, curvy edges. So again, if you were to pick these up, they would be like soft in your hand, squishy. They wouldn't hurt your hand, whereas opposed to geometric shapes, they're sharp, they're pointy, they might prick your hand. So now you may want to go ahead, if you haven't already, is draw examples of geometric and organic shapes. You can sketch the same ones I have, or you can even sketch different ones. There's a ton of letters and numbers that I didn't even go over, but you can make anything sharp or anything soft.